My name is Mimi Samsoneth. You're watching Long Division on Learning Perspective. To understand long division, let's introduce yourself to the Long family and their family's restaurant business. In the Long family, there's Dad. He's separating stuff, so Dad divide. Then there's Mom. She's making more food. Mom multiply. Next, there's the sister. She's sweeping away leftovers. Sister subtract. Last, there's the brother. He brings dishes down to the kitchen. Brother bring down. Let's apply what you know now how the Long family operates into long division. Dad divide. Mom multiply. Sister subtract. Brother bring down. Can you see that? Good. Now repeat. Dad divide. Mom multiply. Sister subtract. Since there's no brother, the sister becomes the remainder. That's it. Here's a larger long division visual. You'll see that Allie knows how to check how she divided correctly. She checks against the divisor to make sure that the sister is less than the divisor. 2 is less than 5. When there's no more brother to bring down, the last sister becomes the remainder. To download this visual, click in the link in the description below. Click in the link in the description below to see how Allie applied the Long family into long division. Click the link in the description below to learn how to make this very useful giant graph chart. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more learning videos on Learning Perspective. Thanks for watching.